when it comes to models, if you've never heard of any of the models, I would encourage you to at least research them because everybody's going to follow something different. The BRRRR method, think about if you were going to flip a house, but you decided to rent it instead of flipping it and taking the profits. So that's essentially what the BRRRR method is. So you buy it, you rehab it, and instead of selling it at this point, you're going to rent it out. Once you have a renter in there, we're going to refinance it out. And remember, when we talk about doing like a cash out refi, they're going to give you up to 75 to 80% of that ARV or after repair value. And then you just repeat and do that again because you've gotten all of the money that you've put into that property back. That's why it's important for you to follow the next thing on here, which is the 70% rule. The BRRRR method will work every single time. If you don't follow the 70% rule, you may get all of your money back when you BRRRR a house. You may not get all of your money back. What's the 70% rule? So you'll hear us use terms like ARV. That just means after repair value. What is the house worth after I put all of the rehab into it based on what's selling around it? So you start with that and you times that by 0.7. So that's going to give you 70% of the after repair value. Once you have that number, then you subtract all of your repairs, like what your contractor say it's going to cost to repair the home, and you take that off of the number. And what you're left with is the maximum amount that you can pay for that property. And if you follow that rule, it will always fall within the BRRRR method, and you will always make somewhere between 18 and 22% profit.